Be sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Dare we ponder the silent yet ever-present threat lurking in the vast expanse of our universe? What if the unassuming celestial bodies we call asteroids were to collide with our home, Earth? Asteroids, the unpredictable nomads of our solar system, wander aimlessly, their trajectory often changing and making them even more difficult to track in time. They often cross paths with the orbits of planets, including Earth's. Sometimes, our planet finds itself directly in the erratic path of these rocky bodies. But what exactly makes these silent, unpredictable wanderers a potential menace? The science behind asteroid collisions is truly fascinating. These space rocks, varying in size from small boulders to massive islands, hurtle through space at phenomenal speeds, averaging between 25,000 to 45,000 miles per hour, while near-Earth asteroids, which poses the most threat to our Earth, can travel at speeds up to 75,000 miles per hour. When an asteroid is on a collision course with Earth, the immense kinetic energy it carries transforms into a catastrophic explosion upon impact. The energy released can be thousands of times more potent than the most powerful nuclear bomb. The consequence? Devastating shockwaves, enormous firestorms, and potentially a long and cold winter instigated by dust and debris blocking out the sun. Consider the event that likely led to the extinction of the dinosaurs some 65 million years ago. A 10-mile-wide asteroid struck the Earth, causing a global catastrophe. Today, while the odds of such a colossal impact are low, the sheer number of near-Earth asteroids makes the threat palpable. So, how does humanity face this cosmic threat? The answer lies in our ability to harness technology and knowledge. Advanced telescopes and radar systems allow scientists to track asteroids, predict their paths, and calculate the probabilities of potential collisions. In fact, there are over 1 million asteroids that have already been identified in our solar system, with around 32,000 of them identified as near-Earth asteroids. And the staggering part is, this represents only a fraction of the total number of these cosmic bodies. In fact, scientists believe there could be millions, if not hundreds of millions more of them out there yet to be discovered. But observation is only half the battle. The next step is mitigation. Space agencies worldwide are developing strategies to deflect threatening asteroids. From the kinetic impactor technique, which involves sending a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid and alter its path, to the gravity tractor method, which uses the gravitational pull of a spacecraft to nudge the asteroid off its collision course, solutions are within our reach. In conclusion, asteroids are a significant danger. Yet through vigilant observation, precise prediction, and judicious mitigation, we can safeguard our Earth from these cosmic perils.